Famous Nollywood actress Tonto Dikeh has alleged that Malian record boss Naira Marley has powerful political in-laws behind him. The actress stated this while reacting to Naira Marley's tweets after his arrest by the police on Tuesday evening, following the investigation into the circumstances surrounding the death of his former signee Adekunle Olopade, popularly known as Mohbad. Recall that the Lagos police spokesperson Benjamin Hundeyin on X on Tuesday night confirmed that Naira Marley had been arrested shortly after his return to Nigeria. Tonto Dikeh opined that in a sane country, Naira Marley should be in chains rather than have his phone on him tweeting about his arrest. She further stated that his confidence shows that he is being backed by some powerful politicians. Big Brother Naija All Stars finalist Adekunle Olopade has revealed how he fell in love with his fellow housemate Venita Akpofure. During a recent interview with Africa Magic, Adekunle revealed that he fell in love with Venita after she caught a joke he threw in the house. He told the host Ebuka Obiochendu that it was never his intention to enter into a relationship in the house, but Venita stole his heart with her intellectual qualities. Famous South African hip-hop artist Naito C has revealed that he was inspired by many Nigerian rappers and Ghanaian prodigy Sadoki. He also said he drew inspiration from rap artists in his home country, such as the late Accra and Caspar Noyes. The 26-year-old disclosed this in a podcast interview with Afrozones. He mentioned Olamide, M.I., Phyno, Naito C, amongst other Nigerian rappers. Do you agree with Tonto Dikeh?